What is going on, riders? Welcome to the man cave. I finally got my unboxing table complete. It wiggles a little bit. I gotta put one more little brace in there to stabilize it just a little bit more. But I wanted to unbox a package that I got from Memphis Shades. So I'm usually a little bit more patient, but I just could not wait to unbox this package that they sent out for me. I believe it's a fairing for Harley. So what we're gonna do is crack it open, take a look at it. I won't be installing it today because I'm sure there's some things I may have to do to it to make it match my bike, but we're gonna take a look at it and I'm gonna let you know what I think. So let's cut this box open, shall we? And this is my first time actually seeing the fairing as well. So I'm quite excited that we're doing this together. All right, let's see what we got. This is definitely packaged up extremely well. Let me get it out the box real quick. All right, we got that. What else? Oh, there's some other little items in here. We got some stickers, always love stickers. A product book that has some of their products in it. I'll take a look at that shortly. And it looks like some hardware of some sort. Let's get the box out the way. All right, so first off, let's see what we got here. Looks like some hardware to, I guess, install what they sent out to me. And, oh my goodness, that is nice. I love the look of that. Look at that. Man, I'm loving the look of it. I'm loving the look of it. Let's take a closer look.
Infinit Ryda.
So I definitely want to thank Memphis Shades for sending me out this Cafe Racer fairing. I gotta look up what fairing it. Hold on, let me actually find out right now. So if you were wondering, this is the gauntlet fairing for the Sportster model. And I mean, it just looks sick. It's definitely gonna change the look of Harley. I can't wait to get that on there. I'm still deciding if I'm going to paint it to match the way Harley is right now, or do I leave it this gloss black finish? Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think I should do. Should I paint this to match the way she looks, or do I leave it this color? It's a tough decision. It's a tough decision. So I won't be getting this on the bike today, but I will be getting it on there sooner than later. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. Again, thank you, Memphis Shades. I definitely appreciate it. If y'all are looking for any type of fairings for your Harley-Davidson, Memphis Shades is one of the best manufacturers. They have some of the sickest looking fairings, and you'll see what this looks like once I get it on my bike. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment below. But it's your boy Infinit Ryda, and I will see you in the next one. I cannot wait to get this on the bike. Definitely excited about that. Deuces, love y'all. Make sure you stay safe.